Kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 countings. Color name: red color, pink color, orange color, light blue color, black color, neon color, brown color, dark blue color. Let's start. Blue color. 1 O N E 1. Dark green color. 2 T W O 2. Blue color. 3 T H R E E 3. Green color. 4 F O U R 4. 5 blue color. F I V E 5. Green color. 6 S I X 6. Blue color. 7 S E V E N 7. Green color. 8 E I G H T 8. Blue color. 9 N I N E 9. Green color. 10 T E N 10. Blue color. 11 E L E V E N 11. Green color. 12 T W E L V E 12. Blue color. 13 T H I R T E E N 13. Green color. 14 F O U R T E E N 14. Blue color. 15 F I V T E E N 15. So kids, what we learned today? We learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video with new topic. Till then, bye.